Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a salary slip for an employee in a company. I have already made a table that I suppose you can make easily, so I would go to the next step, that is applying the formulas and calculating the net salary. Let's start from DA. Suppose we have DA 5% of the basic salary, so I would write is equal basic salary. I have not yet put in any value, multiply with 5 divided by 100. So that's the 5% of the basic salary. Let's put in 3% TA on the basic salary. Again, I would write is equal basic salary multiply with 3 divided by 100. That's 3%. Let's put in HR 6% is equal basic multiply with 6 divided by 100. In order to calculate the gross salary, we need to add all these items above. So I would write is equal sum bracket start, select all the items, bracket close, enter. Now this part belongs to deductions. Suppose provident fund percentage that is being cut on basic income is 2%. So I would write is equal basic salary multiply with 2% divided by 100. I'm going to insert loan and ESI value as 0. Let's put in tax 2% is equal basic salary multiply with 2%. Here we will calculate total deductions. Again is equal sum, and let's select all the deductions, bracket close, and enter. Now in the net salary, what we get is gross salary minus the total deductions. That's too easy, is equal gross salary minus total deductions, and that would give us net salary. Let's put in a basic salary of 50,000, and you would see all the calculations would be done automatically. Let me put in 50,000. Now press enter, and here we go. Everything has been calculated automatically, and net salary came out to be 55,000. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.